Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. In which year did India gain independence? 1947. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? Mahatma Gandhi. Which ancient civilization was located in the Indus Valley? Harappan civilization. Who led the Salt March in 1930? Mahatma Gandhi. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. What was the main reason for the revolt of 1857? Discontent against British rule. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi in 1919? Non-cooperation movement. Who was the last Governor General of independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. How many states are there in India? 28. What is the minimum age to become the Prime Minister of India? 35 years. Previously 29 state, now 28 state. Which political party is known as BJP? Bharatiya Janata Party. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Who is the current president of India? Draupadi Murmu as of 2024. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? The President. What is the term for the lower house of Parliament? Lok Sabha. How many members are there in the Rajya Sabha? 245. Which article of the India Constitution guarantee the right to equality? Article 14. What is the highest court in India? Supreme Court. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? The President. What is the term for the lower house of Parliament? Lok Sabha. Which state hosted the G20 summit in 2023? New Delhi. What is the name of India's first satellite? Aryabhatta. Which Indian sports person is known as the Flying Sikkim? Milk Singh. Who is the current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Yogi Adityanath. What is the name of the Indian Space Agency? ISRO. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Bangalore. What is the currency of India? Indian rupee. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali. Which is the largest state in India by area? Rajasthan. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Which river is known as the Ganga of the South? Godavari. Which mountain range separates India from Nepal? The Himalayas. What is the smallest state in India? Goa. Which desert is located in India? The Thar Desert. What is the national flower of India? Lotus.